Good afternoon to you all, dear students. So, today we will start with a new topic that is diversity and inequality. Alright, so that is based on block 13. Okay, block 13, diversity and inequality. So, this is our topic of discussion for today. So, our aim for today is students will be able to differentiate between what is diversity and what is inequality. Alright, and the resources required is your worksheet as 3. Your notebook and your exit content book. So please be ready with these materials. Keywords for today is diversity and inequality. Alright, so this will be the keywords for today, diversity and inequality. So let's learn the meaning of the term diversity. So diversity, as we have also learned, the quality of being diverse or different. That is known as diversity. Okay, that is the quality of being different or diverse. And inequality, and unfair, that is not being equal, not equal. Okay, that is known as inequality. All right, now I hope you get the meaning of the term. Now, in how many ways, question here is, in how many ways can you be different from other person? Take the example of your best friend. Okay, in how many way you can be different from your best friend? All right, or from other person. So see, there can be many ways, okay, that you might be different from your friends. Can be your physical structure, can be your looks, can be your habit, attitude, character, like and dislike, right? In many ways you can be different from your best friend or your other person. So today we will learn, right, ways in which two person can be different. All right, one which shows diversity and the other which shows inequality. Differences there may be, you may be finding two way. Okay, that is true diversity and true inequality. All right, so now I will be showing you what is actually Venn diagram. Okay, this is called Venn diagram. All right, this diagram is actually called Venn diagram. Okay, so I will let you know the meaning of what is Venn diagram. All right, so see, what is a Venn diagram? A Venn diagram is an illustration that uses circle, as I've shown to you, to show the relationships among things or finite group of things. Circles that overlap have a commonality, while circles that do not overlap do not share those traits. Venn diagram help to visually represent the similarities and differences between two concepts. They have long been recognized for their usefulness as educational tools. Since the mid-20th century, Venn diagrams have been used as part of the introductory logic curriculum and in elementary level educational plan around the world. Okay, so Venn diagram, as we have learned, is an illustration that use circle like this. Okay, to show the relationship among two things or finite group of things. So this part indicate this circle that overlap have a common, overlap means talking about this area. Okay, so similarities you will find here. All right, and the part which does not overlap, talking about this particular portion. Okay, then they do not share the same trait or personality. All right, so this is how Venn diagram represent, okay, the relationship, or to show the relationship among things or finite group of things. All right, so this particular overlapping portion is called as similarity, and these are the differences. All right, I hope now you are clear with it. Now I want you guys to read the story. Okay, story about two friends, that is from the section diversity and equality in the exit content book. You have to copy the Venn diagram on a sheet of paper or in your notebook and write the differences and similarities between Ravi and Aslam in Venn diagram after reading the textbook. All right, that is, first of all you have to write this particular, draw this particular diagram. Okay, Venn diagram in your notebook. And one point, see, at one point, at one side you write Ravi. All right, another one you write Aslam. So the difference you write this side, okay. Similarities you write here. So what is the difference between Aslam and Ravi? You write in this portion. And what are their similarities? You write in this given portion. Alright. That is after reading the story of two friends. After reading this story, okay. So I'll give you time to read, okay. So you can pause the video and read this particular okay portion of case study about two friends. Alright. I will not be reading for you. You will find in your textbook as well, okay. And after you are done, you can even read inequality, diversity and inequality, the portion diversity and equality, okay. Right. You please read all this given paragraph passage. Okay, now after you are done reading the question, okay, here you will find, this is what you will find, okay. Aslam and Ravi. So see, you see that Aslam he speak Tamil. Aslam celebrate Eid. Aslam goes to school. Ravi speak Hindi. Ravi celebrate Diwali. Ravi sells flower. The similarities between them is both are Indian. Okay, you see that from the story. After reading the story of two friends, you come to know that Aslam speak Tamil, Aslam celebrate Eid, Aslam goes to school. Whereas Ravi speak Hindi, Ravi celebrate Diwali, Ravi sells flower. Alright, that is the difference between Ravi and Aslam. Okay, the similarities is both Ravi and Aslam are Indian. Okay, so that is the similarities between them. Now let us discuss this activity. So what language does Ravi speak at home, and what language does Aslam speak at home? What religion does Ravi follow? What religion does Aslam follow? Do both of them go to school? Where does Ravi live and where does Aslam live? What does Ravi fathers do and what does Aslam fathers do? How are they similar? Okay, as we have learned. So please listen carefully. So Ravi speak Hindi. Okay, Ravi speaks Hindi at home while Aslam speaks Tamil at home. And Ravi is a Hindu and he celebrate Diwali, okay, while Aslam is a Muslim and Aslam celebrates Eid. Okay, that is the festival of Muslim. Diwali is a festival of Hindu. Similarly, Ravi does not go to school, but he sells flowers. While on the other hand, Aslam he goes to school. Okay, Ravi's father is a gardener. Alright, whereas Aslam father's is a lawyer. Alright, and the similarities between them are both Aslam and Ravi are of the same age. Okay, they are of the same age. Okay, and both are boys and both are Indians. Alright, so those are the similarities between Ravi and Aslam. Okay, now diversity. What is actually diversity and what is inequality? Diversity means different language, different religion, different food. Okay, that is talking about diversity. That is called the quality of being diverse or different. Okay, inequality means not able to go to school, since one is going to school and one is not going to school, not earning enough money. Like we know that Ravi father is a gardener and Aslam father is a lawyer. Right, they are not earning equal amount of money. Okay, that is inequality. Not having all opportunities. One is rich, one is poor. One is able to go to school, one is not able to go to school. That is inequality. Alright, so that is the difference between diversity and inequality. Okay, so please keep that in mind. So in what ways are Ravi and Aslam different from each other? Alright, and why do you think Ravi could not go to school like Aslam? And why does Ravi have to work to earn money? Why doesn't Aslam need to work like Ravi? Does this show diversity and why? Okay, as you can see the question. In what ways are Ravi and Aslam different from each other? Why do you think Ravi could not go to school like Aslam? Why does Ravi have to work to earn money? Why does Aslam need to work like Ravi? Why doesn't Aslam need to work like Ravi? Why does this show diversity and why? Alright, you listen carefully, okay? So Ravi and Aslam, both of them they speak different language. They follow different religion and they celebrate different festival. Okay, when two people or person are different from each other because of the language that they speak, the religion that they follow, it shows diversity. That is called diversity. Okay, and Ravi father does not have as much money as Aslam father does. Because of that, Ravi has to sell flowers, okay, that is to earn money and is unable to go to school. Because of that, he is not able to go to school because he has to sell flower, okay, to support his father. Aslam, on the other hand, why he goes to school and does not need to earn money is because his father is rich. Aslam father is rich, okay. Because of that, he does not he don't need to go to he don't need to go and sell flowers. All right, so he go to school. This is another way Aslam and Ravi are different from each other. This difference is that of inequality and not diversity, okay. That difference is called inequality and not diversity. All right, inequality between Ravi and Aslam arises because Ravi does not have the same opportunities or enjoy the same privilege as Aslam does. All right, because one is rich and one is poor, okay. So that is inequality. Now, last question for today, okay. Can there be inequality between two people even if they speak the same language and they follow the same religion and celebrate the same festival? Give reason. Okay. Can there be inequality between two person even if they follow the if they speak this, okay, both speak the Hindi, both are Hindu, alright, and both celebrate Diwali. So can there be any differences between them even if they follow the same religion, if they speak the same language, if they celebrate the same festival? Okay, now listen carefully, okay? Yes, it can be, okay. It can be. An answer is yes. Even if two people speak the same language and belong to the same religion, there can be inequality between them. Alright, there can still be inequality between them. If one person earn less than the other, alright, he or she will not have the same opportunity to enjoy the same privilege as the other, like Ravi and Aslam. Alright, so there can be, okay. So things to do for today is you have to okay, do your practice question, okay. Practice question 7, 8 and 9. Alright, please do 7, 8 and 9 along with worksheet S3. Alright, along with worksheet S3, okay. So here you have to write in this given spaces. Alright, so you have to fill up these given boxes along with 2 and 3. So all the best, take care, stay safe and have a good day.